Hey, welcome back everybody to Space Engineers. This is episode 20. That's awesome. I can't believe we're already at episode 20. Thank you guys so much for the last episode and the support you guys showed on it and the comments, because apparently I'm a noob, which we all knew that. So if I take this air vent and I come out here and I place this air vent on here, just like so. Let's weld that back together. Then let's go back to the control panel. Let's see, where are you at, control panel? I put one in here, didn't I? It's been a second. Yes, right here. Let's find, is it air vent 4? Let's decompressurize. And then if we go to our oxygen tank, woohoo! It's all because there's oxygen on the planet. So it's just decompressurizing the oxygen out of here and putting it into the tank. So I don't need any of this. I don't need any of it at all, which is great because that means I can completely redo this base and kind of make it into at least a survivable structure. And also, I don't plan on spending a ton of time. I gotta get back to space and I got to start saving or building the carrier. So the only concern I have to survive this planet at this point in time. Oh yeah, can I show you guys something? That's my spectator cam. I hope it works. I'm gonna do my best to make it work. If it doesn't, my bad, and I'll work on it for next episode. But I'm trying, okay? I am trying, I promise. But here's what we're gonna do. I need to unload, I think, everything I possibly can. We'll hold on to this just in case. And then let's grab all the oxygen and hydrogen bottles I have. Let's get rid of, we'll fill up these oxygen bottles and then we're gonna get rid of a couple for right now. And the reason why is the only risk I am running at this point is water. That is the only concern I have to survive. So I do need to put the helmet back on. Awesome. I do need to get some ice so I can make some otters. I love otters. I can make empty tin cans with this. And then underneath the kitchen, is it equipment? Somewhere, I think I actually have to be at a kitchen, which I don't have. I need to make one. But I think if you put ice and water, empty can in the kitchen, you can make ice. So let's run up here. I think I'll be fine. I don't think I need to bring a lot of oxygen, but I do want to make sure my hydrogen bottles are full. The problem is I don't think the weight goes down once you... And the hydrogen bottle is empty. I could be wrong. I've never really paid attention to that before. But I want to fill these up. I do have plenty of hydrogen in that tank, which is great. But like I said, I need ice. And one thing that's really bothering me is I am not picking up any form of ore as I'm running. And I don't like the fact that that shows up. Is there a way to turn that off? Let's just go back to that. I think when I run over there, I'll turn it on to see if we can find ore in the same time. Oh, but the problem is I don't really have a way. Let's make an easy fix to this real quick. Do I have a cargo container? Is this cargo? No. Cargo container. Interior plates. You have interior plates, don't you? You have steel plates. All right, let's make a cargo container real fast. It should be quick and easy. And then we'll get this done. Interior plates, it said, right? Is that right? Interior... You don't have any. That's lame. Do you have any? You don't have any. What does this cargo container have in it? Ammo that I can't carry with me. Let's see. Let's see. I just need some interior plates to get this done. Can I craft some real fast? It's probably a really dumb way of doing it. You know what? Let's hold off on that. I can remove that vent for right now and put my air in there. In the meantime, let's jump up here. And let's drop in. Let's hide empty real quick. Do I have any more hydrogen bottles I can take? There's one in that armory. We'll grab that. There's one in the oxygen generator. We'll grab that. And then these 3. I think my weight's going to be pretty high by doing this, but let's just give it a shot. Here we go. Here's the adventure to go get ice. Hopefully we can pull it off. I'm pretty positive it's right over here. At least I swore I saw ice over in this direction. Is that even ice though? That's the concerning part. Like, I don't even know if that's ice way over there. I will be screwed if it's not. I think though, otherwise I did see that ice cap way up there. So as long as I can make it back on time, we should be okay. Biggest part is we just gotta find it, right? We just gotta find ice and then we should be alright. Actually, I think I can just turn dampeners off. And then let go of my thrust. Yeah, okay. I think I can conserve a little bit. I'm definitely burning fast, but like I said, I really hope that's ice. It looks white, but I feel like some of this other stuff does as well. Is that water? Okay, that looked like water, let's be honest. That shadow, did a really good job of making that look like water. That's gotta be ice, right? That's gotta be, look at it. So we're doing okay. I've only used about half a bottle so far. And what's good about this is I'll know, right? Like if I only use 2 bottles, I'll just take 3 with me versus 4 or 5 that I have. I don't like how it's starting to not look as white as we're getting closer. Looks like those trees are actually white, which to me is a good sign. I think this is ice. I really do think this is ice. Let's turn our dampeners on. Okay, so if we notice, it still is not picking up. It's ice, but why is my drill not identifying the fact it's ice? See, that's a problem, right? Like, it's only 555, but it's better than what I had. What, how much fuel did I didn't even use 1 whole bottle. So, that's not bad. 1 whole bottle isn't bad, but I gotta figure out why my drill isn't showing up. Is it not supposed to? Like, am I losing my mind?
Inventory full.
I might have to go check a setting, but let's go ahead and get back to... Oh, no. I'm hoping that's nearby. Let's go ahead and get back, though, and, hopefully we'll be fine. I don't know how much ice water 555 is going to make, but at least we know we can get here in time. I am consuming a little bit of power, too. Let's grab one of those. Didn't really reduce my weight much, but that's alright. I thought I marked this, but I must not have. And I thought the antenna I'd be able to see that, too. But I don't know what's going on with this drill. Like, I can't see any ore deposits whatsoever. That's very concerning to me. We might as well grab this unknown signal right away. I don't think that's going to hurt one bit getting that done. And maybe we'll get lucky and find a little bit of water in here. Push the button first. Hey, kids' pajamas helmet. Nice.
Inventory full.
Yeah, I'm not surprised by that. Let's go unload this real fast. Over here. Definitely fine on hydrogen, so I'm a lot more comfortable now about the whole water situation. If I need to, I can always just make a trip real quick to go get some ice. It's not convenient. It does take some time, but at least we know we're good. It took about 2 bottles. We'll leave it at that. We'll just leave 2 bottles on us. Let's go ahead and... Where are you dumping that ice to? No, 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 no. No. Okay, so that's connected. Let's go info, oh wait, control panel. Let's go hydrogen tank. And... Huh, I can't. Okay, whatever, we'll just hold on to the ice for right now. And let's just dump this out. We don't need that anymore. Inventory-wise, it should be a little bit better. Yeah, we're good. Oh no, where did that unknown signal go? No! I never got to see what was inside. It was like right here, wasn't it? Oh well. Let's go ahead and head back over here. So, what I want to do is I want to grab enough supplies to make a cargo unit. Which cargo unit do I want to take? Are you empty? You are not empty, but let's just start moving you. I think I'll be fine. That's not where I wanted to go. I think I'll be fine dumping everything in here. Yeah, the ice isn't moving. Okay, we'll leave it there. Let's empty out this cargo container. And then we will move a cargo container over to our station, because that's going to make it a lot, well, we're building a base at, it's going to be make it a lot easier to start scavenging the ship and hauling stuff over there so we can build. And then I'll probably do a little bit of a building montage to show off just me building a smaller base that we can utilize. One thing that's really nice is I'll actually build pressurized vents into this station using the decompression, yeah. Am I saying that right? My brain's hurting. And that will allow us to just have a room full of oxygen, which is really nice. So I'm happy about that. Let's go ahead and fill up on some energy. I want to get to the point where I have like nickel and stuff so I can make like a better medical station, so this fills up a lot faster. It's just a little slow, but we'll be okay. We'll be okay. I gotta figure out why my drill's not working. I mean, that's ultimately the biggest problem I'm running into, is like, why isn't my drill working? I don't get it. I don't understand it. But I don't know. Maybe I have a mod or something installed. Maybe I should just check that real fast. Okay, I did remove one mod. Is a ore detection mod, and I'm just supposed to help make it better, but maybe it wasn't. So we're gonna roll with it. Roll with it this way. But let's start this up. So I can leave that room pressurized, but let's go ahead and expand everything else. I'm not worried about size anymore because we have all the. And I want this to be taller too. So I'm waiting for my spectator cam to reload, and then I'll probably just throw on a montage and go that way. For some reason, my battery died on my laptop. I wasn't plugged in, so I mean, that does make sense that it did die. But yeah, let's just get this rolling and have some fun. All right, we at least have a pressurized room with a cargo container. I need to get a kitchen made so I can start making, see how much water I can actually make. Let's drop one down here real fast and see what we can do. I don't think this has a connection ports to it. Yeah. So we'll just set it right there for right now. Can I finish it? Nice. Okay, so let's go production. Iced tea is herbs and ice. It's very little ice, so I think I'm gonna be good. I think I'm good. I really do. I just need to make a bunch of tin. I really need to figure out a better way of pressurizing. Well, if I pressurize that, it's not gonna be a big deal that I open this up, right? Just put my helmet back on. Cool. All right, well, I'm gonna kind of keep doing some modifications to this. I don't think the what's it called? The montage. There we go. I'm gonna work on building a little section out here that has my assembler and my refinery on it. And I gotta figure out this whole ore situation. But let's go first make some tin cups and see. In fact, I'm just gonna grab this stuff here. I'm not overly worried about hydrogen at this point. It's gonna take forever to use up what's in that tank, and I'll probably build a little area around it, but scavenge everything else, obviously. I've been scavenging a lot of the ships. I was originally gonna try recording that as well from the spectator cam, but I believe I probably just edited in me doing it in person. Could be wrong. Well, on this character, I mean, or however. Man, words are so tough, and in my mind, the things I'm saying make perfect sense, but I know for everybody else, it makes 0 sense, so that's always fun. So let's drop that in there, drop that in there. Let's go production, and let's just make 1,000 of them. Yeah, I almost have enough ice off of that to make 1,000 things of water. So we are looking good, and what's the best part about this is I can straight up drink this from right here, and I don't get yelled at because I'm dying. Okay, I do have some steel plates on me, right? Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and continue kind of adding on to the base where I can move the assembler and everything else. I did put one cargo, cargo, but conveyor underneath. That way I can start running some conveyors underground if I need to as well. Let's go ahead and put that helmet back on. Oh God, let's close this door real fast. There we go. I don't need to be burning all my oxygen. I'll work on cleaning all this up here in a little bit. I'm going to readjust that oxygen tank as well here in a bit. Probably put it over here. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I kind of want this section here to really be like my hidden behind a wall, but it's where my assembler and stuff's going to be. That type of thing, you know? And then I probably need to get working on some form of rover. Some type of mobility so I can hopefully find... Is that big enough? I might just do basic assemblers for right now. I can always add on. All right, well, I did a ton of work to the base here. Moved some stuff around. I expanded this base as we talked about, or expanded this section as we talked about. Ran some conveyors. My oxygen tank's here now. I have my industrial assembler, and I have my industrial refinery. Wow, words are tough. Nothing going on up here, except for right here, I do have a way out to where more cargo is going to go. And the reason why I am doing that is I need resources. And for some reason, I cannot pick up resources with my drill. It's really starting to bother me. I don't know if I'm just so not used to playing this way anymore or what. But I think what I want to do is I want to extend this out, flip it around, and put a drill. And I just want to start drilling straight down right here. It's like the only thing I can think of to maybe start getting nickel and stuff, because I need batteries. If I'm going to create a rover, I need to be able to power that rover. I need batteries to do so. And it's going to take way too long to do it by hand drill. So we're going to give this a shot and see if it works. I have no idea if it's going to. Let's get rid of all that real fast. Let's grab... I guess we'll grab the pistons and we'll grab the drill. And I think we need probably have one more conveyor system. Let's grab conveyor pipes. Where's the actual? There we go. And is there a way to... I wonder if there's a way I can maybe make it so it... I don't know. Let's just get started and see what happens. So I could do... We might do this two different ways. I might do a piston going this way first, and I might just have the drill face straight down and drill out this way first. Then once I get a little bit of distance, maybe I'll swap around where the drill also goes down. All right, because I could extend out and just do a huge farm this way. Yeah, let's give this a shot. Okay, I need some steel plates. Okay, so got some left. Good. So let's do piston like this. Does the rotor... The rotor would allow it to turn upward vertical too. There's not really a need for that right now though. All right, so then let's do a... Let's just do a conveyor junction. I don't know why, but we're going to interior plates. Let's grab those. I don't think I've ever built anything like this before. I've seen videos on it. I thought they were kind of cool. Yeah, I'm gonna have to probably dig down quite a bit here. Yeah, we're just gonna use the right click, get through it as quickly as possible. Will you let me put this in there now? Let's grab a little bit more over here, I think. What about now? That's conveyor junction, drill. Perfect. All right, well, let's put this all together and see if we can make this work. Can I put this all into production? Been slowly grinding away at my base over here as well. Biggest thing you're gonna notice is I did make it so my hydrogen tank should not fall. Does this have motors on it? Wow, my voice really cracked right there. Doesn't look like any of these actually have motors that are good. Okay. Let's see. Don't think... I just need motors and steel tubes. Some of that stuff I should have in here, though, I thought. Deposit that. Yeah, steel tubes, but no motors, huh? And what do you need to make motors? Why do you keep defaulting to that? Nickel. Nickel, nickel, nickel. Okay. That's done. That's done. This just need motors. And this needs a lot of stuff. Okay. Well, let's continue grinding up and get this done. Well, at least I can run it. I just need to get this done now. I almost completely missed that. If that's going now, though, this should work, right? Yeah, sweet. Okay. So now all I gotta do is just extend this out slowly. Yeah? Let's see. I don't want to reverse it all the way. Let's just go like this. I'm never good at figuring these out. Okay, that didn't do what I needed it to do. So it's not distance. That makes sense, I guess. Okay. It's not exactly how I wanted this to work. How do I slowly... I thought there was a way to slowly... Let's back this down real quick and let's reverse it. Okay, that's what I wanted it to do. So now we'll let it sit here for a little bit. And I think I can just go ahead and continue increasing the distance. It's not taking any damage, so that's good. But we should be getting a lot more stone. Yeah. And it should be refining it, but I wonder if I don't have enough power now. Curious how you can make it so you could extend it with pistons without having to remove the drill. That's what I didn't want to happen. Alright, well, that's okay, because now I think I'm just gonna make it go down. Let's reverse you. Actually, I feel like I need to do this better, but, could I go up? Yeah, we're gonna redo this. We're gonna definitely redo this. I think we got it, though. It sucks that we broke that, and I'm probably gonna have a hard time finding the resources to finish off what I want to do, but we're gonna give it a shot, because I think... Let's do version 2 here. And I was being dumb with how I was doing this. Nothing else there. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. So what I want to do now is... Get off me. Okay. Let's go... Need interior plates. I'm gonna need so many more motors is my issue. Let's see. So let's do up. Let's go up. Flip this around. Flip it around. And then now can I put a piston on here? Steel plates. It's still a little too low. If I put a rotor or a piston going up, curved around and piston coming down, I could probably really push the distance. I don't know if that made sense what I just said, but I think to fix the problem I'm having, if I go like this is probably really dumb. I get it, but I'm trying to learn as we go. So then if I go like this, and I put another piston here, I won't build the drill until after I get this piston done, but this should work. Actually, I should be able to put the drill on here. Yeah, there we go. So now I should be able to push this out, and I should be able to mine all this distance, and then I should be able to push it down pretty far. I probably don't need that piston there, to be 100% honest with you. We'll leave it. I don't know. How much more expensive is that? 4. where these are 6. Yeah, it makes way more sense to use pistons instead of... Okay, anyway. I was looking at motors, just to give you an idea of where my brain was. Okay. That's done. Let's just go boom, 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 and boom. So motors are going to be my biggest problem I'm running into here. Which I could get rid of that door to get a couple motors back. It's not really needed there anymore. Are you producing something? Steel plates. Okay, and you did make me some. Okay, good, good, good. I just don't need that door there anymore. Okay. Dump all you in there. Just computers. And 3 more motors. Okay, the drill is done. What do I need for these? Are these motors? Okay, good. No, they're not motors. Okay. So that's the only thing missing, but I might be able to toggle this on. And let's... Why is that? I feel like that's different now. Oh, wait. You getting some stuff in here? Very little. Actually, though, I can just try this. So let's go... How bad is this going to be? All right, hold on. Let's, I want it to go, but I want it to go slowly. There we go. That's probably a little too slow, but... I'm just trying to give this enough stuff so we can get these motors done. That's all I have left is 2 motors. Production. Why do you keep defaulting to that? I don't want you to. Let's do 1, 2. Okay. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Motor. Boom. There. Now that should extend all the way out and mine me a ton of stone. Which in return should give me enough nickel to hopefully make enough power cells. Yes. Okay. Okay, we did something here, guys. It's really wobbly. I should build a fence around here so we don't fall into it. OSHA would not be happy with this. Like, I don't know how far out does this go. Is that done? I think it might be done. So if we reverse it, now I can crank up the velocity, I think, a little bit. Oh, wait. There we go. And then let's take this. Let's lower this velocity way down. Actually, we're going to go all the way out here. Let's see how bad this is. Actually, let's just do 5 meters. Boom. It's a lot better than trying to do it by hand. Okay, if that's all the way, not quite. I should be able to come up here. Is it done moving? Yeah. Nice. Hopefully it doesn't explode while I'm getting energy. There's got to be a way to do it where it can forever extend or at least keep growing, but I don't know how you would do that. I mean, this method's going to work somewhat decently. I mean, that should have been quite a bit of stone. Yeah, that's way more stone than I was ever going to be able to get anytime soon, which should give me a pretty decent abundance of the stuff I need to get a rover built. I want some form of rover so I can swap out my ore detector I put up here just out of curiosity. And I'll put that on the rover. And we're going to go do some exploring in the next episode. So, anyway, pretty interesting episode. I mean, we did a lot of scavenging. I tried to get my spectator cam to work. I checked the footage. It didn't work, so I apologize for that. I'll figure that out hopefully for next recording. But we expanded our little base of operation here. I do need to work on the cosmetics of it a little bit, make it look a little bit better. I probably need to get a little bit more power set up here too. Now that I can actually make some batteries. Can I make some batteries? How hard would it be? Let's see here. What do I need first off to just start a battery? Steel plate. I got a steel plate. So let's grab some of those real fast. And then we're just going to put these... Yeah, let's just put them right up here. Might be dumb, but... So if I grab that... and I go like that... How much nickel. I think I'll have enough because I already have... Oh no, I'm not gonna have anywhere near enough nickel. Oh yeah, I do. Why did you stop? I bet it stopped because of power. I bet it stopped because of power. Yeah, so I need to get this battery set up so I at least have a battery. And then I need to expand upon my wind turbines up here. So we have a little bit more power going on as well. I'll put 2 more, 1 on each side. I've been running conveyors. I might not hold on to doing conveyors. Might just do the way it's set up now. That way, if I do get attacked by spiders, I'm not sure if they come to your base or how that works, but I do want some form of setup. But, you know, I might have been able to put a rotor and had that rotor rotate left and right, which would allow me to get a bigger area this way too. We might experiment with that as well next episode. Anyway, I want to take a moment to thank you guys so much for all the love and support. We are nearing 800 subscribers. Can't believe it. Anyway, take care and have a great day.